Hi Micafam, Myra here. For today's video, it's been 2 months na pala simula nang tayo ay nag-invest dito sa Ginvest by Gcash, featuring 4 investment products, yung 2 local funds and 2 global funds. Pero bago natin kamustahin yung ating funds guys, kung tumaas ba, bumaba, nalugi ba tayo or what, gusto ko muna kayong kamustahin Micafam. Kumusta naman kayo? Sana kayo ay safe and sound and nasa mabuting kalagayan po. Anyway guys, yun na nga, sa video na to, kukumustahin natin yung ating investment funds. And if you're interested, please keep on watching. But anyway guys, kung wala ka pang Ginvest and gusto mong malaman more about Ginvest, meron akong video. Link will be in the description box below. Check it out. At guys, pag-usapan muna natin yung 1 month recap, and then pangalawa, pag-usapan natin yung 2nd month update, and pangatlo, compare natin yung 1st month update sa 2nd month update ng ating investment funds po. Guys, recap lang tayo ng very slight dun sa ating 1st month update. For the local funds, we have Philippine Equity Smart Index Fund. Meron po tayong investment dito of 200 pesos. And sa loob ng 1 month guys, from March 24 up until April 24, naging 193.94 na lamang ito. Ibig sabihin, bumaba po ito ng 6 pesos from the capital of 200 pesos guys. So parang nalugi po tayo ng 3.5% dito. Okay? Now for the total return peso bond fund na merong 200 pesos as well na capital or investment, naging 204.21 na po ito. So tumaas po ito ng 4 pesos from the capital of 200 pesos guys. We earned 2% po. Now, punta naman tayo sa global funds. Global Technology Feeder Fund and Global Consumer Trends Feeder Fund. Pareho po silang aggressive yung risk rating and pareho po silang may investment po of 1,000 pesos each. Alright? For the Global Technology Feeder Fund guys, from 1,000 pesos na capital, naging 1,037.68 na po ito. Ibig sabihin, we gained 37 pesos and that's 3.7% po na gain sa loob lamang ng 1 month guys. For the Global Consumer Trends Feeder Fund naman, from 1,000 pesos na capital, naging 939.26 na lamang ito. Ibig sabihin, bumaba po ito ng 60 pesos. So parang nalugi po tayo ng 6% sa loob lamang ng 1 month. Don't worry, it's just 1 month guys ha. So guys, yun po yung pinaka-recap ng ating investment dito sa Ginvest sa loob ng 1 month. Pero kung gusto nyo ng detailed video, meron ako niyan. Link will be in the description. Check it out. So guys, ready na tayo on our 2nd update dito sa Ginvest. Pero what do you think? Do you think nakabawi naman ba? Or hindi? Comment down below. Pero guys, let's start with the local funds. For the Philippine Equity Smart Index Fund, 200 pesos pa rin yung capital natin dito. May 10, it was at 190 pesos. May 18, ito ay bumaba, naging 189 na lamang po ito. On May 24th, naging 188. So, pababa ng pababa po ito guys, ano? Pero alam nyo ba, on May 31, naging 201.70 na po ito. So, tumaas po ito and sobrang happy ko kasi kahit papaano, mas mataas na siya than the capital of 200 pesos. Nakabawi naman siya. Ayan, tumaas naman siya ng 0.85%. For the total return peso bond fund, 200 pesos ulit yung ating capital dito. May 10, it was at 204. May 18, bumaba siya ng very slight, naging 203.97 na lamang po ito. May 24, it was at 203.78. And nung May 31, bumaba ulit ito, naging 202.79 na lamang po ito. Pero kahit pababa siya ng pababa guys, as you can see yung performance niya, very stable lang ano, hindi siya bumaba dun sa capital natin of 200 pesos. So, for the total return peso bond fund, tumaas po ito ng 1.39%. Now, let's go to the global funds. By the way guys, tinagdagan po natin ng 1,000 pesos yung ating Global Technology Feeder Fund. So, meron na po tayong total of 2,000 pesos capital or investment dito. Samantalang yung Global Consumer Trends Feeder Fund natin ay as is at 1,000 pesos. Now, for the Global Technology Feeder Fund po, May 10, it was at 2,005 pesos. May 18, bumaba po ito, naging 1,920 na lamang po. May 24, medyo tumaas naman, naging 1,948 pesos po ito. Medyo mataas than the last update on May 31. Yung Global Technology Feeder Fund po natin, naging 2,031 pesos po ito. Nag-gain po tayo ng 1.58% dito sa ating Global Technology Feeder Fund on our second month. And sa Global Consumer Trends Feeder Fund naman guys na may 1,000 pesos na capital or investment, May 10, it was at 942. May 18, wow, bumaba po ito guys, naging 896.20 na lamang po ito as in. And on May 24, naging 893.31 na lamang po ito. Pababa ng pababa ng pababa. Well, kung ikukumpara natin on our last month, guys, ganun din naman yung kanyang performance. Medyo hindi ganun kaganda. Pero on May 31, guys, tumaas po ito. Naging 926.22 na po ito. Although tumaas naman siya, pero mas mababa pa rin siya than the capital po of 1,000 pesos. So, bumaba po ito ng 73.78 pesos. Ngayon naman guys, compare natin yung performance on the first month sa second month update po natin. So for the local funds, itong ating Philippine Equity Smart Index Fund, on the first month, it was 193.94. Pero on the second month, it was at 201.70. So medyo nakabawi naman siya and above the capital po siya of 200 pesos. Sa peso bond fund naman natin, from 204 nung first month, naging 202 on the second month. Medyo bumaba siya, pero it's still above the capital po of 200 pesos. So, I believe, medyo consistent naman yung ating peso bond fund. Now, let's go to the global funds. For the Global Technology Feeder Fund, meron siyang 1,037 po on the first month. On the second month, nagdagdag po tayo ng additional na 1,000 pesos, kaya 2,000 pesos na yung ating capital, and naging 2,031 na po ito. So, above the capital, definitely, pero kung i-compare natin yung first month sa second month, I believe, mas maganda yung performance nitong Technology Feeder Fund on the first month po. And lastly, dito sa ating Global Consumer Trends Feeder Fund, 939 on the first month, and on the second month, it was at 926. So, medyo mababa yung ating Consumer Trends Feeder Fund. There you have it guys. Ito yung ating comparison on the first and second month. Pero please remember ha, this is only second month update. Ang dami pang mangyayari. Always remember to only invest what you can afford to lose. And of course, pag high risk, high return yan. Low risk, low return. So mostly, itong mga investment funds natin ay nasa aggressive kind of investment. So high risk po siya. Ibig sabihin kung taas yung pwede nating kitain dito, medyo mataas din yung pwede nating lugiin. Yeah, basta yun na yun guys. But anyway guys, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and let me know kung gusto niyo yung mga updates like this sa ating Ginvest. Thank you so much for watching. Happy 40k subscribers sa ating lahat. Grabe, sobrang hindi ako makapaniwala na we are getting bigger and bigger dito sa YouTube. So, thank you so much sa love and support. And see you next time. Stay safe everyone. Bye for now.